if you're in Cameroon and you have access to Kumba bread and you want to make breakfast, let me teach you a different way in which you can do breakfast. You are blessed if you have Kumba bread. First of all, you break your eggs normally. Then you go to cut your ingredients you're going to use: tomatoes, pepper, spices, and then you put everything and mix together. Then now you put your frying pan on the fire and then put oil. Make sure that you spread the oil with a brush and the excess oil is being poured out. Then now you dip your bread into the mix, or use a brush to brush through if you have a much, like the bread is in much quantity. Then now you put on the frying pan and make sure all sides touch the frying pan and are ready. You press it so that any excess egg that is in the bread will come out. Then now you can serve. If you are new to our channel, please follow us for more of this kind of recipes, as we have other two left. Now I served it to my guest. Let's hear what he has to say. Your first time eating this thing that I've done. So I need your honest review. You can test that thing that's like bread and let me know. Moment of truth. Say the truth.
Top.
It makes sense.